I'm going to do a quick unboxing video here for the SpotOn Quantum Par Meter from Innoquest and the new 31-inch 3-piece extension wand, which is an option or you can buy it as a bundle. Here's what comes in the box. 10-page product manual and the par meters in there. Here it is with the meter out of the box. It's really a good looking product. Well made, nice big display. Turning it over on its back reveals the multi-purpose stand, which is really cool. If you put the stand on in this direction, you get a stake. Flipping it in this direction, it has a little stand so it can stand on its own. Came out to the garden to do this final shot here. This little screw that holds the stand on the back is magnetic.